Hello YouTube, it's Engineer Pat 5290 coming to you with another video. I thought I would let y'all know that I'll be doing another question and answer series coming up. I was thinking maybe it's another time I could do another one. As summer is closing out and we're transitioning to fall, I think it'd be a good time to do one. I want to thank all of you for responding to the last one. If you guys have any questions about, some of the things I have seen, what rail fanning, where areas I've rail fanned or different locomotive type. I mean, like my favorite EMB locomotive was asked last time. You can always ask about my favorite GE rebuild, or anything you want. I'm just using them as some examples, but please ask me anything you want. It can be whatever I just mentioned. So please leave your questions in the comment section below on this video only, so I can keep all the questions together. And let's see, today is the 22nd. I'm going to plan the date right now on my smartphone here. It's my Apple iPhone 5S. We're going to do this. We're going to let the deadline end. The deadline for the question answer series will be September the 15th. It's about, let's see, 1, 2, 3. It's about 4 weeks out, but let's go ahead and shoot for November 15th as the question and answer series will be closed. So go ahead and get your questions out in the comment section below. That also gives me time to do some research if you need to look at a specific locomotive or something like that. I'll be glad to do that as well. So another question and answer series. It's starting now and going all the way to September 15th. And submit your questions on the comment section on this video only, so we keep all the questions together. If a question that you had last time that was not answered, leave it on this video. If you have new questions, leave it on the comment section on this video. I'd love to hear what your questions are. Thank you guys for watching this video. I look forward to seeing your questions, and I look forward to answering them. And I'll see you guys on the next rail adventure. Peace out, guys.